Kita singi dah haruslah singi. Kau lagi lah resudre.
Aku nak khaide.
Welcome back to the channel, friends. My name is Srikant and you are watching Live to Explore. Today we are super excited because after 6 months we are going for a long trip. So this vlog will be going to be like 2 to 3 parts. So this is the first part. We are going to Chikmagalur, but we will avoid visiting any of the tourist spot there. We have a nature camp. Most of the time we will spend there. We started around 6:30 and we covered 1.5 hours and we just had our breakfast. Now let's proceed. We will meet you directly in the nature camp. Okay, I will keep you posted. Amazing view of the land of coffee started. We are enjoying the drive. Still 23 km to go. So let's enjoy the remaining drive. We will meet at the property. We just reached. It took us almost 6 hours. Road condition was also good. Already we came here 5 years back, but now it's really well maintained and looks very nice as well. Anyway, after some time I will show you the clips of the entire property. And now time to have lunch. Let's go. They already served, so let's go there, have lunch. After that we will meet. We had our lunch. As usual, it was really nice. The local Malnad food. As you see, right, this property, just adjacent to this property, the Bhadra river is flowing, and in front of that Bhadra river, right, they have few tents. Okay, you can see there are 3 tents. Okay, the big ones, as you see here, right? Yeah. So 3 tents, and they have 2 rooms as well. And this property is completely inside a coffee estate. As you see here, it's surrounded by coffee estate, a river flowing by, and lots of birds around. So completely you can see, right, this birds chime all over. It's really such a amazing place, and we are the only person here. Actually we came in a group. We have like 7-8 people, 3 family. Only we are here, nobody else. So anyway, I have taken few clips. As usual, I will show you in my style. Enjoy that clip. After that, we will meet. So as you have seen, it's a really nice place, well maintained as well, and a river flowing nearby, and it is actually easy access to the river. Anytime you can go. You can choose option for room as well as tent. It's up to you. So if you want to book this place, right, I will give all the details in the description box. You can check it out. The place name is Bhadra Nature Camp, and yeah, that's all. Okay, so we will try out some fishing now. We will go near river. We'll see. After that, we will meet in the evening. Okay, so there are planned to have campfire. If the weather permits, right, we will do that. Otherwise, we'll see what we can do. Anyway, we have booked for 2 days, and yeah, I will keep you posted.
बस बस उसमें डाल दो, आराम से डालो,
अच्छा मास्टर ना
स्लो स्लो।
मिल गया मच्छा।
अरे बड़ा मछली गिड्डा सिंगीटा धरथिला सिंगी कौन लागिला रे सुतरे
आकु ना खाई दे।
We came back from fishing, and we managed to catch one small fish and one crab. Kids are enjoying a lot because they hardly get time, right, get into the water and sand. So they are really enjoying it. So as you see, right, they already started playing around because there are many options here, badminton, cricket, football, things like that. So let's go, let's have some fun there. After that, we will meet at campfire. So we just freshen up and time to start the campfire now. We really enjoyed a lot. We had a musical chair, we played and a lot of other games. So it was really nice. Now time to start the campfire. We'll have some fun there. After that we'll have dinner and we'll meet tomorrow, okay? So let's enjoy the campfire.
Let's come and meet at campfire, and you will see how you people are enjoying. So let's come and
Come and
go to
join
the
us.
campfire. Yeah.
बस बस भैया ले लो
चलो आगे आगे डालो बेटा, डालो डालो आग में डालो, उसको डालो, आग में डालो, आग के पास डालो। हाँ
मैं सोच रही थी ये वो फ्राई
कट कर देगी
छपट छुम चालू है।
यही साइड डालो गरम
मस्त लग रहा है।
Kids really enjoyed a lot to start the barbecue, right? It's a kind of unique experience for them. Anyway, whenever we go out, right, all the barbecue they only start. But with this barbecue, right, we also did this potato, then capsicum and pineapple barbecue, and we had a yummy dinner as well. I think this is the time to end this blog for today. As you know, this is a multi-part blog, so we will again meet tomorrow and we'll continue whatever we had. Okay, we have a lot of plan, like we will go for a trekking. After the trekking we are planning to go Sringeri. I will keep you posted. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe so that you will get the notification of my second part when I will upload. Till then, bye bye, good night, see you tomorrow morning.